Hey, this will be a video chart on ZLUS. Did this one on Monday, and today you can see that it absolutely skyrocketed once again, up over 35%. Yesterday went through a very nice consolidation period, so that was a good thing to see. I know people get bummed out when it doesn't skyrocket every day, but now hopefully people can see why days like this and days like these two back in the past are healthy for a chart. It allows profit takers to get out. It allows others to get good entries, build a higher base, and then the price can move upward. So just a very good real life example here of how consolidation days are very healthy for the overall support or chart as long as supports do hold. So these lines you see are what was drawn from the last time I did the video, and after today's move quite a bit needs to be updated, so that's going to be the point of this video. If you're wondering why these lines are where they are, just simply go back and watch the video from Monday, because for this I'm just going to assume that you did watch it and start to update the chart. So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is simply this support level down here. The price is so high above it now that there's really no reason why the price should ever come back down here during this uptrend move. If it remains a genuinely strong move, if things fall apart, obviously it will come back down here, but that's the sign that things are no longer like they are right now, with everybody just extremely bullish on the chart. So the new kind of must-hold support level is going to be right here. I'm going to change this line of green and move it up a little bit, and this level is going to be the low from yesterday, which was at 0.0023. Obviously from where it is right now, that's almost a 50% decline, but at the end of the day, if it were to come all the way back down here, bounce around before heading back up, like I pointed out in the last video, this set of lows would be higher than this area down here, which would then still give you the ability to draw an uptrend line. Now I know nobody wants to see it go down there, but technically it could, and it would still be a bullish chart because it would still have a higher set of lows than where the previous area was. Now the other thing that needs to be updated is right here. Actually, I should move this down because this was at 003, but this was the area of resistance. Now that it was broken, it has become support, so change that to green. So now 0.003 is the newest of the support levels that has formed. Now this red line up here at 0.004, from Monday's video I had mapped out this as being another area of resistance, and lo and behold, look right where it closed, right up at this resistance. If volume stays strong like it was today, it's not looking like this level is going to put up much more of a fight. But for the time being, this resistance was able to hold the price down as the price closed just right below it at 0.004. Actually, it closed right at this area of resistance, but then it closed above it, so technically we can't quite call it broken yet. So now what we're going to have to do is go on the hunt for the next areas of resistance, and what I'm going to do is scroll over, so just keep in mind where I'm getting these levels from. So the next area of resistance is going to be right here at this level, which is 0.0058. So let me change that to red. Where am I getting this from? Well, if we look back through the history of the chart, you can see that acted as resistance there, acted as resistance there, the price got above it one day here, and then things just completely collapsed. So keep in mind where this red line is coming from as we scroll back to this action now. You will see this red line up here. So pretty much what we have here is a pretty big kind of miniature blue sky breakout, meaning 0.004 is the top of the break, and then the next level isn't up here until 0.0058. So percentage-wise, this gap right here, is very attractive. Now, is it going to shoot up there in one day? It could, but it might take a little bit longer than that. But from a strictly technical standpoint and looking at the resistances, like I just showed, you can see that the next one is not until way up here. So things are looking very good, and it's on borderline of getting into some miniature blue sky breakout territory, but once more, it didn't quite break above and close, or it did break above, but it didn't close above 0.004, so this is still going to be a key area of resistance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com if you have not already. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth at least checking out. One more time, this was ZLUS. Thanks for listening.